Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this week we are making the delectable Ghana salad. It's so easy and straight to the point, so let's get right into it. I begin by cutting up my lettuce. You can use lettuce and then cabbage if you so prefer, but then I don't really enjoy cabbage in this type of salad, so I always like to stick to the lettuce. But I've seen people add cabbage to it and it tastes equally good. It's just a personal preference. I usually will cut up my cucumbers, but then I remembered I had this potato cutter that I've not used before, so I decided to use that. And I peeled off my skin because it didn't look so attractive, so that's that. I usually would grate my carrots too, but I think I prefer the look this cutter gives, so I'll stick to that going forward. I'm not one to put a lot of onions in my salad because I feel the onions have a strong taste and I don't enjoy that in my salad, so a little goes a long way for me. Be sure to remove the seeds from your tomatoes before you chop them in, or else you're going to end up with very watery and runny salad. Once I add that, I just toss everything together before I add the next ingredient. Growing up, my mom would make the salad most Sunday evenings to go with her jollof, and it was always something to look forward to because it was always so creamy and delicious. And I think it's a tradition I want to carry on into my future home. At times she made variations where she had tuna, avocado, potatoes. So you can play around with this if you so wish. It all depends on your taste and preference. I also add some cooked macaroni at this point, and then toss everything together. This can be enjoyed as a full meal on its own, or you can pair with rice, cooked rice, jollof, and sometimes even bread. The typical type of protein that you see on the salad are sardines, corned beef, and eggs. But then I don't really fancy sardines in my salad, so I totally omitted it. Feel free to add it if you enjoy that, okay? Canned baked beans is also a must for Ghanaian salad. I love the one from Heinz. That's what I always use. Hard-boiled eggs are a must for Ghanaian salad. Like, we are not even trying to beat the egg allegations. We love it and we stick by it. Are there any Nigerians in here? I drizzle some salad cream lastly. You can use mayonnaise as well if that's what you want. Okay, I enjoy this particular one from Heinz as well. And the only time I use mayonnaise is if it's from Hellmann's. That mayonnaise is so delicious, goodness. Here's me mixing it up and serving it. So you can add a drizzle of extra cream if you want. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This is how I served mine with a jollof, of course. Thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you and bye.